I get this question a lot. How do I interview for a job without my boss finding out? Now, I'm going to walk you through the do's and don'ts, and most importantly, let you know your legal rights in this situation. It can be tricky. Okay, so first, the very first thing you should be doing is switching off your updates on your LinkedIn profile, right? You don't want to be looking for a new job and have your boss notified that you've now updated your resume and started taking steps in that fashion. Okay, so turn off your LinkedIn notifications. Don't go and post on social media. Don't tell the whole world how much you hate your job or your boss or whatever. That's a good way to get fired before you've found a new job. Okay, so make sure that in addition, you are doing this on your own time and with your own devices. So if you have a company computer, a cell phone that's monitored by your company, anything in that regard, don't be using that to look for your job. So make sure you're not receiving phone calls to your device at work. Silence it. Employers or prospective employers will understand. Okay, so you don't need to answer that call during work. Now, on your lunch break, on your rest break, these are times that you're certainly, in California especially, able to go and take a call or go and interview. But understand that your boss or somebody might get a sense that you're interviewing, and it might create a different situation. Which brings me to the final point is, what should you do if your boss finds out? Now, this is a trickier situation because it might need to be handled differently depending on the situation. If your boss is on good terms with you, maybe it doesn't even matter how you respond to that. In California, it's very important to note that you have an absolute legal right to do any lawful conduct outside of work. And that includes interviewing for a job. It includes moonlighting and having a second job. Okay, so if you are doing this on scheduled days off, on after work, before work, that's absolutely the time you should be doing it. And if your boss finds out that you were doing this type of conduct outside of your work and not using company devices, etc., then you actually have a legal remedy if your boss were to demote you, suspend you, decrease your pay, or fire you, right? So it's important for that respect as well, so that you are protected if something should happen. Okay, so hope this helps. Know your rights in California and your rights more broadly. Good luck on the job. Definitely post any comments if you have any questions below. Love to answer any questions or comments.